Roll a platinum pack, stacks and platinum one bar. 150 shows in your evil. Hold on, you go ghetto, get off, get grown up. Watch your bass, keep the tone, I go to Babylona. Hold on, to the enemy, stand sound, get control of. Hey, and you can honor these and these donuts. First behind the knee, first in front of me. First I let they pop it, first the company. We are the first line, first record company. We are the first you land, while still and the man's every Uncle Ben's Christy. Casey Baby Wildin', number one every album. Open to the quad, the streets in the gritty plot. I got on the avenue, beach was solidified, certified. She was a thunder dude. See how it feels to never be a fucking one-hit wonder. Boom, boom, the one-hit. Honorees, honorees. Word to mama, honor hip, honor hop, honor who? Honor the drummer, honor your mama, honor you. Honor the OGs, and I can let you too. This is what it was, this is what it is, this is what it do. We honor hip, honor hop, honor who? Honor the drummer, honor your mama, honor you. Honor the OGs, and I can let you too. This is what it was, this is what it is, this is what it do. Put your hands up for it, wow. Hey! What? They ain't about to renew the cave in the trash. This popular demand since there is no pressure. So if I get your back with the full court pressure. Hailing from the swamps, mama through my mud. Jersey on my back, nigga, Jersey's in my blood. Now we iconic MCs, and we accomplish that with all 4 LPs. So what makes you think we gon' shut down shop when we still got props, still rock the spot, still crushing competition every proud all day, and we taking advantage of this digital age. We cut out the middleman, now we do direct marketing to our core fans. The return of the Jersey boys bubbling in the room, and this is just a precast. I'm coming soon. Honor hip, honor hop, honor who? Honor the drummer, honor your mama, honor you. Honor the OGs, and I can let you do. It's what it was, it's what it is, it's what it do. We honor hip, honor hop, honor who? Honor the drummer, honor your mama, honor you. Honor the OGs, and I can let you do. It's what it was, it's what it is, it's what it do.